If you're trying to figure out how to promote your Skool community, you're in the right place. Skool is an amazing platform for building and managing online communities, but if you don't know how to promote your community, you could miss out on the real power it has to offer. So, let's dive into how you can get your community the attention it deserves. First off, leveraging your existing audience is a no brainer. If you have any following, whether it's from social media, a podcast, or an email list, let them know about your community. Push your Skool community as a central hub for deeper engagement. People want a space to connect, and Skool can be that space. So, don't just mention it once. Keep promoting it in all your channels and posts. Next thing, make sure your Skool community is easy to find and navigate. If someone's trying to join, they should know exactly what to do. Optimize your Skool community's landing page and make sure it's clear why people should join. Avoid clutter, focus on the benefits, and make the sign-up process as simple as possible. You'd be surprised how many communities fail at this part. The third thing to keep in mind is offering value right away. When someone joins, they should immediately see the value of being a part of your Skool community. Whether it's through exclusive content, events, or direct interaction, show them that their membership is worth it. People want to feel like they're part of something special. Make sure they do from day one. Now, one of the best ways to promote your Skool community is through collaboration. Find other community leaders or influencers who can share your community with their followers. This cross-promotion can help expose your Skool community to new audiences that are already engaged with similar content. It's a great way to increase membership without having to do all the heavy lifting yourself. Fourth, consider creating valuable content outside of your Skool community that points back to it. Write blog posts, create YouTube videos, or host live webinars where you subtly or not so subtly promote your Skool community. If people enjoy the content you're providing, they'll want to join your community for more exclusive resources. The fifth point is engaging with your members. Encourage them to participate, share their thoughts, and contribute to discussions. The more active and involved your community is, the more attractive it becomes to potential new members. Engagement is a key factor in keeping the momentum going and creating buzz around your community. Now, here's where I want to address the competition. While Skool is a solid option for building communities, it's not always the best fit for everyone. It can be a bit limiting in terms of customization and integrations, especially if you're trying to do something complex or more scalable. There are some other platforms that offer better features in terms of personalization, user engagement tools, and monetization options. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some amazing alternatives that might suit your needs better. If you want to check out an alternative, we've got a link that gives you an exclusive and extended free trial with additional benefits that you won't find anywhere else. But before you jump over, remember that Skool does have its strengths, so the best choice really depends on your goals. I'll leave you with a link in the description to claim the best free trial and some incredible bonuses. Plus, I've included some platforms that might align better with your goals, so don't miss out on checking those out as well. At the end of the day, it's all about choosing the right platform that fits your vision. Whether you stick with Skool or go with one of the alternatives, make sure you're creating a community that people can't wait to be part of.